I would like to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today I'll talk about this beautiful shirt I have designed, and this shirt is for jeans pant, and this shirt is black shirt and has this blue sequence. I added this blue sequence, and I'm going to add one more line just to show you how I added this blue sequence. So you can create this design in any blue or black shirt or any contrasting color. So this is the sequence. This is blue 5 mm blue sequence I'll be using. And I'll be using this little tool to push the sequence down, and I will be using this glitter dimensional fabric paint. This is paint / glue. So first what you need to do is follow along the neckline. And put your dots as close as possible. So like this. You put your dots as close as possible, like this. Continue putting the dots throughout the entire neck of the blouse. Now this design, to do it, you have to always follow the neckline. I will be doing many more designs, different kinds of designs on t-shirts and shirts, so please subscribe. If you subscribe, as soon as I post this, it will be on your inbox. So this is how you get little bit of glue and you get a sequence and bring it to your fabric. Now you can keep it closer here if you want to do it faster, but be sure not to touch the fabric, because if you touch the fabric you will stain it with this glitter paint. So do not touch the fabric. Like this, you'll be picking up the sequence and adding it to your shirt. But when this design is wet, it does not look very pretty. Once it dries, it looks very pretty, because once it dries, the glitter paint turns gold. When it's wet, it kind of looks like wet white, so that's why it doesn't look so pretty. So when you do the design, you might think that it's not so pretty, but you have to wait for 2 hours until it dries completely. Then you'll see how pretty it looks like, because once it completely dries, then you can see your blue or golden sequence in gold or silver, whatever color glitter dimensional fabric paint you have used. So now like this you continue, and the closer you put, the prettier they will look. Now this one I could have done with gold sequence, but I found that putting this blue sequence actually it is making it look prettier. Now you continue, follow your line. Now I have a tonight or tomorrow night Jardosi sari design coming up. I have created this entire Jardosi sari, a very beautiful looking black Jardosi sari. Well, I'll let you be the judge. So I have created this sari, and I am going to post that tonight or tomorrow. And this video is going to be a little bit longer video, because this sari, first I discussed the sari, then I had to sew the sari, and then I had to sew the setup, how to set up on the ground to make the sari, and then I have shown how I did the work. So this is gonna be a little bit longer video on the Jardosi sari design, but at the end you'll see the outcome is really good. Like one of this sequence, it really got stuck, and you have to pick up this whatever got stuck, because if you touch the fabric here, you might make a glitter stain which won't go away, because this glitter and this sequence are permanent. Now if you want to take it out, pull it out, it will ruin your shirt. So before you do the decoration, you need to plan. And when this design is wet, it's very easy to remove. You just take the entire design while it's wet under your sink and wash with water, and all your fabric's gonna be just like new. You wouldn't see the design. But if you wait till 2 hours, let it dry, then it's permanent. Your shirt might get teared off, but your design will be there permanently. Now this is how you're going to do many more lines, as many as you wish, and the closer you put them, the prettier they will look when they dry. So I show you with the all entire line. Now you continue with as many lines as you want. So I have one line here I shown you, then I have 3 more lines, and I might go ahead and put them a little bit more condensed, and I will do 2-3 more lines. And you can even scatter some all over the shirt, just eyeball it and see whatever distance you want to put. But in the black shirt, this blue sequin really look good. Thank you so much for watching. This is